Gold Seas Tuna family! We're just hoping that during this whole enhanced community quarantine period, we hope that you guys are all home.
Yes, just stay home.
And you're all safe.
And just keep safe.
For us guys who are stuck here at home, look for whatever food we can eat and make out of what we have in the cabinet. We're gonna cook up something with our favorite canned goods, of course, Gold Seas Tuna.
We're gonna be using the Gold Seas Yellowfin Tuna chunks in olive oil. Inisip ko na we got eggs, bottle of pesto. To make it simpler, parang pwedeng tuna pesto torta.
Okay, let's try to make that.
Cool.
Ano yung panggulay? That's my baby love. Everyone?
Done. Go. Voila.
Okay guys!